speaking of Apple, this one caught my attention. I was actually surprised that I missed this because I talked so much about the Apple car, upcoming Apple car. And maybe I've talked about this, but it seems that it's heating up again, this particular discussion around who's going to make the Apple car. I talked about Foxconn at one point. But of course, Foxconn has gone and invested in an electric vehicle maker in China, but that electric vehicle maker is still really early as well, and it seems like a long-term investment. Would they be really ready to produce at the type of scale that Apple might be looking for? There's another option that many are discussing, and that option is actually a Canadian company, Will, by the name of Magna. And here's the craziest part. Magna is just around the corner. Like, Magna is nearby.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I've seen that building.
It's a what is it, like a $20 billion revenue type company. It's headquartered right around the corner. It's very bizarre, like what that crossover even exists. They're very unexpected considering our location. But anyway, they already manufacture some products for certain automakers. Well, parts. They were originally a parts company, tremendous volume, well into the billions. But then some manufacturers ask them, can you just make us the whole car? So, for example, have you ever seen the Mercedes G-Wagon?
Yeah.
The G-Wagon is made by Magna, not Mercedes.
Everything?
Yes, in a plant in Austria. That's where the G-Wagons come from. So the G-Wagon is a low-volume vehicle for Mercedes, and they're just like, you know what? We don't even want to retool the assembly line. We will contract that deal out to Magna. They're supplying us so many parts anyways. Why don't they just put it together? And so that's the level Magna is on, that they can produce vehicles like this. There's others as well, by the way. They do one of the Jaguar vehicles and a couple of other ones. So another electric car company, Fisker, is going to have a similar relationship to hand over the capital-intensive work and the engineering, and then they want to be the brand and the marketing. And I know this sounds weird for automotive, but if you think about it, that's basically what Apple does with their phones. Foxconn makes them, right?
Yeah.
Apple, it sounds crazy.
Apple designs them.
That's right.
And then
They do
Foxconn actually manufactures.
They do the marketing, they do the business, but the labor-intensive stuff is taken up by Foxconn. So it's actually not such a crazy idea. In fact, the stock price of Magna has been up. Magna's been booming a little bit.
Really?
On the potential for a relationship like this to take place. Maybe not booming. Oh, that's the one day. Give me a 5 day. Yeah, there you go.
It went up.
Yeah. So maybe do like a 6 month on it. Yeah, you can see it.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Yeah, you can see it's been climbing as people become curious about their potential to fill that role, whether it's for Apple or other automakers. Like, it could disrupt the whole auto industry. The idea that you want to get a car made with your styling and your marketing, and as cars become more like tech, you have to wonder if the actual supply chain for how we get our cars and like where they make, if everything can adjust to meet that criteria.
So you're telling me it's gonna be a ghost kitchen for car manufacturers?
There you go. Exactly. Something like that.
Perfect.
Yeah. Something like that. So they currently make the Mercedes G-Class, the electric Jaguar I-Pace. So they're already doing an electric vehicle, and the BMW Z4 sports car. That's what they're doing right now. And they recently added a facility in China capable of producing 180,000 vehicles yearly. And a North American plant might be next. In 2019, Magna assembled almost 160,000 vehicles.
Right up there?
No. They don't do this. That's just head office.
Oh, okay.
That's just head office over there.
It's a big building, though. Jeez.
Yeah, that's just head office. Because the founder, Frank Stronach, he's from around here. Well, he's originally from Austria, but he's from around here.
Oh.